How to add product badges in WooCommerce, free plugin. How to add a badge with a percentage discount. Go to the Sale Booster section in your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Badges tab. Click on Add New to create a new badge. Enter a name for your badge. Enable the option for percentage discount amount. Choose a label style. Select a label color of your choice. Under Archive Page Settings, set the font weight to bold on Archive Page. Set the width size as needed. Switch the preview to the product page. Set the font weight to bold on product page. Set the width size accordingly on product page. Set the shadow size for the badge appearance. Switch the preview back to the archive page. Go to the Schedule tab. Click Add Schedule. Choose the Date option. Set the from and to dates for the schedule. Navigate to the Products and Conditions tab. Select Is on Sale. Set it to Yes. Save your changes. Your badge with a percentage discount will now be displayed on both the archive and product pages. How to add a new badge to Perfume category products. Navigate to the Sale Booster section. Disable the current status if it's enabled. Click on Add New. Enter a name for your badge. Set the label to New. Choose a label style. Customize the label color. Adjust the position of the label. Enable shadow if desired. Go to the Schedule tab. Select the desired date for the badge to appear. Set the from and to dates for the schedule. Navigate to the Products and Conditions tab. Select Categories. Choose Included. Select the Perfume category. Click Save to apply your changes. The new badge will now be displayed on all products under the Perfume category on both the archive and product pages. How to add a sold-out badge in WooCommerce. Go to the Sales Booster section. Disable the status if it's currently enabled. Click on Add New to create a new label. Enter a name for your label. Choose your preferred label style. Customize the label color. Adjust the label width for the archive/shop page. Set the font weight to bold for better visibility on the archive page. Switch the preview mode to the product page. Adjust the label width for the product page. Set the font weight to bold on the product page as well. Set the label text to Sold Out. Navigate to the Products and Conditions tab. Select Stock Status. Select Out of Stock. Click Save to apply your changes. Once completed, the Sold Out badge will automatically appear on all out-of-stock products. How to add an Only Two Left badge in WooCommerce. Navigate to the Sales Booster section. Disable the current status if active. Click on Add New to create a new badge. Enter a name for your badge. Choose a label style. Adjust the badge width for the archive page. Set the font weight to bold for the archive page. Switch the preview to the product page. Adjust the badge width for the product page. Set the font weight to bold for the product page. Set the badge position to bottom left. Modify the border radius to your preference. Add a shadow effect and choose a shadow color. Set your preferred label color. In the label text, enter something like, "Only a quantity a left," or "Only 3 left." Navigate to the Products and Conditions tab. Select Products. Choose Included. Select the products you want to apply the badge to. Save your changes. The "Only 2 left" badge will now appear on both the archive and product pages for the selected products. How to add a limited badge in WooCommerce. Go to the Sale Booster section. If an existing badge is enabled, disable it first. Click Add New to create a new badge. Enter a name for the badge. Choose a label style that suits your store design. Adjust the label width for the archive/shop page. Switch the preview mode to the product page. Adjust the label width for the product page. Change the label color. Set the label text to limited. Set the font weight to bold on archive page. Switch the preview mode to see the changes and confirm everything looks right. Set the font weight to bold on product page. Add a shadow if desired. Adjust the label position to your preference. Navigate to the Products and Conditions tab. Select Products. Choose Included. Choose the specific products you want the badge to appear on. Click Save to apply your changes. Now the limited badge will be visible on both the product archive, shop page and the single product page for your selected products. How to download and install the free and pro versions of the plugin. Start by accessing your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, Click on Plugins to open the Plugins Management section. Before proceeding, make sure that WooCommerce is installed and activated on your site. If it's not already installed, you'll need to do so first. Click on Add New Plugin. Search for Asana plugins or product badge, label, countdown timer for WooCommerce. Click on Install Now and Activate. You have now successfully installed and activated the free version of the plugin. Navigate to Sales Booster. If you wish to unlock additional features, you can upgrade to the Pro version. Follow the provided link to make the purchase and download the Pro version of the plugin. For your convenience, the link to download and use the plugin has been added in the description below. After downloading the Pro version, return to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New again, but this time, select Upload Plugin. Click on Choose File and select the Pro version plugin file you just downloaded. Then, click on Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate to enable the Pro version. You have now successfully installed and activated the Pro version of the badge and product label for WooCommerce plugin. Navigate to Sales Booster. You're now ready to explore enhanced features, including advanced product badge customization, notification bars, sale pop-ups, countdown timers, and countdown stock displays. Enjoy creating a more engaging shopping experience.